Chef John, and we are celebrating National Bacon Lovers Day with the new Savory Double Bacon Burger.
That's right. Thank you very much, Candace.
You're welcome.
And this is one of the bacons that is on this burger. This is the delicious Newski's Applewood smoked bacon. And we're also going to add Canadian bacon to our burger as well.
Awesome.
Would you like to try some?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh my God, so good.
So good.
So good. All right, well, let's get started.
We're going to start with our toasted buttered half of bun.
Yum.
I'm going to add some garlic aioli to the bottom. We're going to add our already cooked burger with 2 slices of American cheese.
Delicious.
Awesome. And we're going to add the first of the 2 bacons on our double bacon burger. This is a Canadian bacon, which is a very lean cut of bacon. Then we're going to add our Newski's Applewood smoked bacon in a crisscross fashion. So the first you get a bite, you're going to get a bite of that bacon. On top of that, we are going to add our grilled onion. So she's adding some julienne cherry peppers. And you can find these a lot on your deli counter in your deli area where they have the olive bar. Spread them out. Yeah, so they hit edge to edge. Perfect. And then we're going to add our bread and butter pickles, 3 of those.
Delicious.
Great. Now you're going to add our romaine lettuce, which I shredded right there. Nice little pile, handful of that. Beautiful. And so for the topping, I'm going to take a little bit more of our garlic aioli mayo. And there we are.
Yay! The Savory Double Bacon Burger.